You already know what time it is. Very neat packaging. This always happens. Gotcha! Kinky edges.
What's kinky edges, you may ask?
Well, and that flavor aid was smacking. We didn't need the cool because we had all the flavor. That's a word right there for somebody.
Now I can preach this if I want to now.
Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kate coming to you with a slay today.
Hey.
Coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
What's going on, cousins? What's going on, cousins? Today, I'm bringing you a slay from HerGivenHair. Y'all, I did something like this before. Y'all was feeling it. Y'all was like, ooh, I'm gonna need to see that again. What am I talking about? I'm talking about kinky edges.
What's kinky edges, you may ask?
Well, it's just a way to make a wig seem more natural along the hairline. If your natural hairline is more of a kinky texture, this is something that is supposed to mimic that, okay? Or if you're looking for a wig like that, even if your natural hairline does not mimic that, but you're going for that style, bam. So this wig is going to be coming to you from HerGivenHair. So I'm just going to open up the box because I haven't even opened the box yet. I'm going to open up the box, show you what we're working with, and then we're just going to style and profile. But I'm going to need you to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to just throw that out there. I'm just toss it out there.
Did you catch it? Ooh.
Kinky Edges wig, okay? The Kinky Edge is 100% handmade. The texture is coily, which in their terms, coily is 3C to 4A. That's the curl pattern if you guys care about that stuff. The wig that I have is 18 inches. It's a lace front wig, and the hair color is natural. Now, y'all know this is the season for big sales. So I will say this, if you have ever wanted to try a HerGivenHair wig and it just wasn't feeling right in your spirit, you know what I'm talking about? You may want to look into it now. I'm just saying. Okay, you guys, this wig is 150% density, but you know with kinky curly wigs, that 150 is like, it's a thick 150, you know what I'm saying?
Like I aspire to be.
I'm close. I'm almost there, y'all. I'm almost there. Well, you know, the way perimenopause is set up, you be real close to your weight loss goal, and then next Thursday you be real far from it, and you be like, how that happen? What that do? What went down? And Perry and them just be sitting there looking like, gotcha. So yeah, sometimes I'll be real close to my weight loss goal, and then other times, no. But whatever. Bam. Here's the packet sauce. You already know what time it is with HerGivenHair. They are very consistent, very clean, y'all. Very together. Huh? Come on. You listen, you got to have some arm strength to get that off. Oh, you got to have arm strength. You already know what time it is. Very neat packaging. This always happens. Every time I do this, it ends up upside down. Every time. Messing up my whole thing. All in the Kool-Aid. Don't even know the flavor. Y'all remember that? We didn't even have Kool-Aid. We had, what's the off-brand Kool-Aid coming up? That's what, Flavor Aid. That's what we had. Honey. And that Flavor Aid was smacking. We didn't need the cool because we had all the flavor. That's a word right there for somebody.
Now I can preach this if I want to now.
HerGivenHair. Let's see what's off up in this box. What's this? The wig bag, so you don't what?
Don't flop.
Flop. Don't y'all flop these wigs, especially these nice high-end wigs. What is you flopping for? Put it in the bag. Okay, you know you're gonna get the instruction manual, okay? They send you the instruction manual. If you need help with learning how to take care of the hair, it's beautiful hair, you wanna take care of it, bam. Ooh. So they sent me a scarf as well. My cap size is small. Take the measuring tape, get your domology, okay? My circumference is 21.5. That puts me at a small wig cap, which is very strange because the 5 head is loud and proud. So I don't know. Maybe the back decided to be flat and stand back. That's why it evened out, because I don't know, Chad. But that's what it is. This is a 13-1, boo. Oh, I see the edges. I see where you're at with the edges. This is the construction of the cap. You have a comb. You have a comb in the bike. You have your elastic, and it is adjustable. Let me see. It is not removable, but it is adjustable. So if you want to remove that thing, you're going to have to cut it. Your adjustable strap. This is like a T-part wig. So you have ear-to-ear lace, and then you have this space right here for parting. That part is still long. It's a nice long part because you think about it. Your part is not starting right here. So it's not here to here. It's starting way up here and going all the way back. That's going to leave you a nice part. I've never had any problems with the lace. The whole purpose of natural edges, not only is it supposed to make it look natural, but it's supposed to aid in the fact that you don't have to do much. You don't have to add a lot of product to your hairline. A lot of people are growing their edges out. They don't want to put sprays and definitely glues and all that stuff around your even though you're not supposed to put it right on your edges. I have seen people do that, and I'm just like, wow. Y'all edges are strong because my edges would have been want. You hear me? As fine as my hair is, I know how much they can bear. But with this, I don't even want to use the spray. You know what I'm saying? I want this to be a more healthy alternative, even more healthy than just the spray. For those of you who think that wig land has gone too far, who think we've gotten too radical with our techniques, hey, I got news for you. Kinky Edge wig. And if you don't know, now you know, huh? Y'all, this feels so good. This feels really good. You can spray this and pop the curls if you want, or you can let it ride and just be big and ignorant like this. Let me show you these ends. Nice and healthy, thick all the way to the ends. I love that. Y'all, let's go ahead and style this. I'm ready to see these natural edges. Y'all ready to see these natural edges? I'm ready. Check out the information in the description box. Again, y'all, this is the time of year for big, big sales. Okay? I'm telling you what I know without saying it. Look in the description box, okay? Check down off up in there and see if it works well with your spirit. If it don't, then forget it. But if it does, let's go ahead and style this. Again, this is HerGivenHair Kinky Edge wig. It's over with. Let's go ahead and style and profile. Hold a minute.